guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna talk about how to make a brief introduction about yourself in Chinese. So let's get started. Before we dig in, I'm gonna share one catch internet sentence with you guys. We use that a lot recently. It's called 用魔法打败魔法, which means use magic to defeat magic. So I'm gonna show you guys today. In China, children start to learn English at a very young age now. But for me, I just started to learn English when I was like in my 6th grade, I think. And I won't say it's the first sentence, but it definitely the second sentence I learned how to say it's this one. This one. 你好, like hi, how are you? Hi, I'm fine, thank you, and you? Yeah, this is like you can just walk on the street and ask any student on the condition that she or he already start to learn English. I think she will respond to you without any hesitation. I'm fine, thank you, and you, because that's basically how you guys know about 你好, as how us know about the greeting way in English. So today we are gonna start to learn that in how to say that in Chinese too. And we say first sentence we say 你好, you already know that one. Then we say 你好吗? You see, when we add a ma and a question mark, that the part changes the whole meaning. It will be how are you? You can say 我很好, 谢谢, thank you, 谢谢, thank you. 你呢? How about you? For your record, 你呢 is a very useful sentence. You can use that to respond so many questions. For example, 我是中国人, I'm Chinese. 你呢? How about you? And 我喜欢猫, I like cats. How about you? 你呢? And I hate my friend. How about you? 你呢? Yes. As you can see, it's very catchy and very useful. Okay, now let's practice one more time. When I say 你好, 你好吗? It means hi, how are you? Then the response usually will be 我很好, 谢谢. 你呢? I'm fine, thank you. And you? Do you remember? So now, because most of you guys don't know who I am, so I'm gonna do an English version of self-introduction about myself first. So, hi guys, my name is Chen Mengling. I come from China. As you know, Asian people don't age, so this is how I look like at the age of 24, which probably will stay the same in another 10 years. And my hobby is sleep. Yeah, I like sleep a lot, especially when it's cold. I'm a student now, and it's my 2nd year as a postgraduate student. By the way, I don't like you. Just kidding, I like you guys. Now here comes the Chinese version. 你好，我叫陈梦玲，我是中国人，我很喜欢睡觉，现在我是一名学生。I know what were you thinking. Yes, I cut a lot of information in the Chinese version because we don't need to know everything about someone when we first meet someone. So yeah, we only have to do a brief introduction. So in my version, I said my name, my nationality, and my hobby. The last one, my job or my identity. Now let's go to the first part. Here, 姓名 or 名字 means name in Chinese, means name in Chinese. So people will ask you, 你叫什么名字? 你叫什么名字? That means, what's your name? And respond will be, 我叫, then add your name. 我叫, add your name. So now here is a list that I got from internet. Some foreigners use that as their Chinese name. So the first one goes 土豆. It actually means potato in Chinese. I don't know about you guys, but I like potatoes a lot. So let's see how Mr. Potato introduced himself in Chinese. That would be 你好，我叫土豆. Okay, the second one is 王子. It means prince in Chinese. Wonder if he really looks like a prince or not. It will be 你好，我叫王子. And the third one is 高富帅. It's which actually a catchword we used a lot on internet like a couple years ago. People still use it sometime now, and it means tall, rich, and handsome. Okay, the last one is 好厉害. It's amazing in Chinese. So let's see how Mr. Amazing introduced himself. 读啊呗，你好，我叫好厉害. Sorry, that's just too funny. Thank you, Internet. And the second one is nationality. So when when we see a foreigner, if we want to know about his nationality, we're gonna ask 你是哪国人? 你 refer to you, 是 refer to are, 哪国人? 哪 means which, 国 country, 人 people. So it's which country do you come from? And the answer will be 我是, then add your country name, then add 人 mean people, person. So in my case, it will be 我是中国人. Now, as you can see here, I only put 3 examples here. One is 中国, China. One is America, 美国. The third one is British, 英国. So Chinese people will be 中国人, and American people will be 美国人. British people will be 英国人. Cause 人 is Chinese character for people, person. So if you want to tell people your nationality, you can just say 我是, then add your country name, then add 人 in the end. The third part is 爱好, hobby. So I think it's very important for us to find someone who have the same interest as us. So yeah, here is a list of some hobbies that I wrote randomly. In China, when we ask about someone's hobby, we will ask 你喜欢什么? 你 refers to you. 喜欢 refers to like. 什么 refers to what. So what do you like? And the answer will be 我喜欢, then add your hobby. And here is a list of hobbies that I wrote randomly. The first one I want to say is 睡觉. It means sleep in Chinese. So in my case, I will say 我喜欢睡觉. I like sleep. That's true, especially when it's cold. And we have 看书, reading books. And we have 看电影, watch movies. And traveling, 旅游. It means traveling. And music, 音乐. So next time, if people ask you 你喜欢什么, or you want to make a self-introduction about yourself, what do you like, you can say 我喜欢. So if we will practice a little bit, it will be 我喜欢睡觉. I like sleep. 我喜欢旅游. I like traveling. 我喜欢音乐. I like music. 我喜欢看电影. I like watch movies. 我喜欢看书. I like reading books. 我喜欢运动. I like sports. 我喜欢打游戏. Play video games. Finally, we are getting the final part. It's about your job. Okay, so for me, in my case, 我是一名学生. I am student now, so I will say 我是学生 or 我是一名学生. Use a major word. But like here is a list that I just wrote a few jobs randomly. That would be lawyer 律师, doctor 医生, teacher 老师, and freelance 自由职业者, and influencer 网红. And so in Chinese, if we want to ask about someone's job, and we will say 你是做什么的? It kind of equal to what's your job or what do you do for a living. So you can respond. In my case, I will respond 我是一名学生 means I am a student. And if we practice a little bit, use the jobs that I wrote before, that will be I am a teacher 我是一名老师. I am a doctor 我是一名医生. I am a firefighter will be 我是一名消防员. And I'm a freelance 我是一名自由职业者. Or I'm a lawyer 我是一名律师. So it's basically you can use 我是 then add your job. That's basically what we learned today. We learned how to make a brief introduction about yourself. So in my case will be 你好我叫陈梦玲我是中国人我喜欢睡觉现在我是一名学生很高兴认识你 It means, Hi, my name is Chen Mengling. I'm Chinese. I like sleep. Currently, I am a student. Nice to meet you. So, you see the picture I posted here. You can put your information. Just put your information in those blanks, and you will you can make a brief introduction about yourself. And if you have more questions, you can leave a comment below, and I see it, I will respond. And 再见, that's goodbye in Chinese. And I'm gonna continue to make more videos about Chinese learning. So if you want to see more, just subscribe. Welcome to subscribe my. Subscribe my channel, and I'm looking forward to see you in my next video. 再见。